Hello guys, this is Prince 111705. I have some fresh news according to NSAC, which is confirmed by top rank. Chavez Jr. test positive for using marijuana. Um, when I opened the laptop, I immediately opened vaccinescene.com, and then I saw an article written by Rick Reno, which entitled "Top Rank Confirmed Chavez Jr. Test Positive for Marijuana." The whole article said the following: Top Rank, who promote middleweight junior Julio Cesar Chavez Jr., have confirmed to vaccinescene.com that Mexican star tested positive for marijuana following Saturday's 12-round unanimous decision loss to Sergio Martinez. The fight took place at the Thomas and Mack Center in Las Vegas. Vaccine Scene was provided with the following statement from Top Rank. Top Rank is reviewing the situation. Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. will have the opportunity to explain about the situation to the Nevada State Athletic Commission. Nevada State Athletic Commission Executive Director Kit Kaiser told Boxing Scene's David Gressman that he can't officially comment until he receives the test results. I cannot confirm or deny anyone until I get all the results, Kaiser told Boxing Scene via email. Hopefully, I will have them by Friday afternoon. This marks the second time that Chavez tested positive for a banned substance in Nevada. In 2009, he tested positive for furosemide, a diuretic, after his win over Tony Roland. The official result was changed to a no decision. Chavez was fined $10,000 and suspended for 7 months. He faces similar punishment with the latest incident. Martinez dominated Chavez for nearly 11 rounds before Chavez badly hurt Martinez and scored a knockdown in the 12th. Martinez survived to win a lopsided decision with scores of 118, 109, 117, 110, and 118, 109. Well, I don't know what's wrong with this junior. He got some glory, or he had some praises, good praises from the fans, the media, because of how he hurt Martinez in the 12, especially in the 12th round. Now this story or this news came out that he uses marijuana or a banned substance during the fight. So that's so stupid. It's another setback, or it's another disgrace in boxing, especially in the Chavez family name. But we all know that Chavez Sr. was addicted also, but Junior was still building his name up to now, and being afflicted or connected with this kind of issues doesn't help his career. People are gonna say that that's why we should remember that Sergio Martinez broke his hands during the admitted that he broke his hand after his fight with Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. Because we all saw the fight, and then we all know that Sergio Martinez threw a lot of power punches against Julio Cesar Chavez Jr., and Jr. didn't even got hurt or stunned by any punches that Sergio throwed. Now in the same fight, he hurt Martinez in the 12th round, and then people are gonna think now that maybe I know that marijuana is not a performance enhancing drug, but it's still illegal. People are gonna say it helped him not to take it. It helped him take the power punches of Sergio, and it helped him punch harder. That's why he was able to hurt Martinez. If Junior won't change his habit, or won't be a professional boxer, or I think he could say goodbye to the rematch with Sergio Martinez, and people are gonna look at him as a bum, a cheater. He's nowhere near the boxer or the person as his dad. And by the way, people are gonna say, especially the haters, that another cheater came out of Fred the Roach stable. But I hope they don't judge every fighters that Fred Roach train. Fred Roach have plenty of fighters, but he cannot supervise, or he cannot see everything that his fighters are doing. So it's not fair to judge all the fighters that Fred Roach, or Fred Roach himself, of being advocate, or he support using performance enhancing drugs. Anyway, I don't like this news because it took out the credit, or the respect that I had to Junior, because based on what I saw on the fight between him and Sergio Martinez, he may able to explain why he used the marijuana, but it doesn't change the fact that it's against the boxing rules, and somehow it's cheating. That's my opinion. Tell me guys what you think. Subscribe, comment. Thank you, and God bless.